In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the owner of a Google Sheets spreadsheet in 2025. If you've ever found yourself working with a shared spreadsheet and needed to know who the owner is for clarification or collaboration purposes, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through a few straightforward steps to easily locate this information. To kick things off, let's start by opening the Google Sheet in question. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and finding the spreadsheet you need. Alternatively, if you have a direct link to the spreadsheet, you can simply click on it to open it in your browser. If you're seeing a lot of spreadsheets, the list might feel daunting, but navigating your Google Drive is the simplest way to access what you're looking for. Once the spreadsheet is up and running in your browser, look towards the upper left-hand corner and click on File. This is part of the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you'll find various options like New, Open, Make a Copy, and Download, among others. The option you're most interested in right now, however, is Details. So go ahead and give that a click. After selecting Details, a side panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. This panel holds a wealth of information about the document, such as its storage details, version history, and permissions. Importantly for us at this moment, it also contains the owner information. You might need to scroll down a bit, but don't worry, it's all part of keeping everyone who has access to the document informed and up to date. Now that you have the Details panel open, look for the Owner section. It's usually prominently displayed at the top of the panel. When you find it, click on it to reveal the name of the individual who owns the spreadsheet. This person has full control and management rights over the spreadsheet, so you might want to reach out to them if you have any questions or require changes to permissions. So, there you have it. An easy way to check the owner of a Google Sheets spreadsheet by using its inbuilt options and details. This process not only helps you identify the owner, but also makes working with shared documents more seamless, ensuring you know who to contact for any necessary clarifications or permissions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep these steps in mind for the next time you need to discover who holds the keys to your spreadsheet. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheet managing.